Hi, I'm Pam East. Today I'm going to talk to you about preparing metals, cleaning metals. And I developed PreNamel as a product for enameling, but it works just as well on any kind of metal prep. So if you're doing Chembu or if you're doing any other processes that require you to clean your metal, this is the material that you want to use. So it's pretty easy. You're just going to get your metal wet and you're going to sprinkle on some of the PreNamel. Now it is very mildly acidic, so I do recommend wearing gloves. However, it is non-toxic. It is made with food grade materials, so you don't need to worry about toxicity. Look at that, I barely did anything and it's already cleaning right up. So it's like magic. So there's one. Look, that was copper. Let's go ahead and give some bronze a try. This one's kind of ugly in the middle. Let's see what we can do with that. And I'm going to sprinkle a little of this on. And voila! Your oxides just melt away. So we've got a little before and after. I left some, so well, I sort of kind of left some on that one. And this one is brass. Let's see if it works on the brass. It's also going to work on sterling silver and any other metals that you want to clean up like this. Now this one has some dark spots on it, so I'm having to scrub a little bit more to get those dark spots off, but they do come off. It just takes a tiny bit more elbow grease. And as you can see, that did not take me very long. And et voila, I have cleaned all the metals. Now, if you want to see how I use this for enamels, go ahead. I have another video on using PreNamel as a preparation for enameling.